Hello. So this is our system for FamCam laundry shop in Imus, Cavite. So let's try it. So as you can see, we have here a login page, and then we will go to our admin account. So we will try an incorrect password. Okay. So we will try now the correct password for this. Okay, success. So we are logged in now. So here is our dashboard, our main page. So as you can see in here, there are new orders in progress and completed. So this we have we have programmed this for this completed for every month. So it will reset again on the next month, every other month. Yes, that's it. And then in here, we can see the user management, the add user, and then the view user. So as we can see here, I have my info inserted in here, and then we will try to add users. We will try to add another similar data with me. So password, gender, hula-hula na lang. Then, so this is my number. So select the group manager as of now. And then submit. So in here, we can see that it says duplicate contact exists, and it will not add the data because it is a duplicate. So let's see. Okay. Over here. And then here is the order management. We can add we can add order in here. So for example, we have customers, and let's choose Irish, then wash per load, description, try, then the amount is auto filled in here. Wash per load is equals to 65 pesos, and then the delivery date is on the next day, and then I will click on submit. So in here, as we can see, here is the order we have created. So we can see in here the status is pending. So enable to complete this, we will click this complete button. So we can see success, order successfully completed, close, and then here it is, the wash per load by Irish Christopher. And then over here we can see the send message. Send message. When we click the send message, we will be redirected in here. So as of now, we will try to send a number. Send an SMS to my number, because it I will show you my screen. So send message for pick up, and then send message for delivery. Okay. We'll send a message for pickup in here. In here, we can select the customer. When I select my name, it will be automatically load my cell phone number. So over here, we can see. Oh, just wait a minute. I will set up my window capture. Where's the okay in here? As you can see, my live. So here it is. We will see if it will send a message for me. So here it is. FamCam Laundry Shop. So we will try to send a SMS for pickup in my number. Let's check it. Okay, okay. Fine. I will click now to send SMS. Let's just wait for the confirmation. So here it is from FamCam, and then we could see that we received the message. Wait, we have received the message. I'll zoom it for you. So 12:10 p.m. time check. It's 12:10 p.m. right now. As you can see, 12:11 p.m. And then we will go back to the system. So for the reports for today's delivery, for today's sales report, as you can see, we we saw this, we have created this lately. And then for the pending report, pending orders, we have none. So let's try to add some order in here, and we will try to pend it and not complete. So in my name, super dry test June 8 delivery date. So in here we can see that it is pending. So we will go to the reports and then pending orders. So we will see this order for me super dry, and then we can click this complete and delete. Let's try completing it. So success. We got in here in the manage order, and then when we go back in the reports, pending orders, there is nothing in here. So as we could see, we could print sales report in here. So we can filter this, and we can filter this date from and to. So for example, we can filter this 6 and then 9, I think, and we can select here. So here it is. From the date of June 6 to June 7. So the total amount is 155. So in here, I added the print report. So when we click this print report, the FamCam Laundry Shop Sales Report. So I will repeat it. So we can save it as a PDF. Destination, save. We will go to desktop, and then try try for the file name. Then that's it. We can see this feed PDF for the date range of June 6 to June 9. So we will open it. here it is. I'm really sorry, my computer got slow. Okay, so we got the timestamp in here and date. As you can see, there's a total amount. So in here, in print sales report, I only set up this for the completed status because we cannot we will not total the amount of the pending orders. Okay, let's try this. Let's add some order again. Add order. Let's try this. So as you can see, wait, manage order. As you can see, I am the last completed, the super dry. And then we will add the order again. Irish, regular dry. Uh, and then on the next day, we can submit. And then as you can see, it is pending. So when we go to the report and print sales report, we only see the completed status. And then we could see the pending orders in the pending orders tab. So over in here, we could add services that is offered by the FamCam laundry shop. So for example, in here, wash per load 65. We will try to replace this. Then let's delete it. Let's add service. Ayan. And then 65 pesos. Then the amount is in here. So it is recorded in here. So we could see that when we click on the manage order, on the add order, I mean, we could see that in here, there is a service name. So when we click this, here it is. The Super Dry, Regular Dry, Ariel Liquid Detergent, Downy Popcorn, Sonra Color Safe, and then Wash. So then it will automatically load the amount of the service offered. So in here, in the user permissions tab, we can create a group or a user group. So in here, the manager can only access the add order, and then all of this can be on their dashboard. But when we go down, when we go to the user management, there is no user management. So let's try this one. Okay, let's log it out. Let's try my account, my personal account, password. So success, login successfully. So in here, we can see this. So as you can see, there is no user management. Why? Because the permission is only set for this use only, and they are restricted to use the user management. So in here, we can view the customer, and then as you can see, the action, there is no action in here because also the it was also restricted from the account. So we could only add customer, but we cannot edit customer. Okay. And then, okay, manage order. And then we will go to dashboard. In settings, we can see that here is the appearance settings. Anytime they can change their name in here. And in here. Okay. The currency code, currency symbol. As you can see, I did not add the peso symbol in here because it is buggy when it comes to other computers or mobile. So in here, we can upload some website logo, login page logo, and then background image for login page when they want to update their pictures. And then in here, for the email SMTP management, we could do this for the forgot password. So in here, we will try, I will show you how to do the forgot password. So we will go to the forgot password and then FamCam laundry. So email sent successfully. So as we can see, the reset password is here. You can change the password in here. So let's type this. Let's confirm it. So password changed successfully. So let's try it. And that's it.